Yo, what's up guys? I am making a YouTube video and it's called 007. Now I'm going to use some Lego pieces to make a 007 car with these Lego pieces. So I'm going to start right now, but it'll take a day or a week. I hope you guys don't fall asleep. It'll go faster, I promise. Catch you later. Yo, what's up guys, I'm back and I finished the James Bond 007. Woo! It took me a week because I had to go to basketball practice, school, and I got to do my homework. But finally I finished it! And now I'm going to show you everything that it does. Aha. Oh. So I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment to check out my videos if you like them. And now I will catch you all and see you guys later for the next video, guys. Alright? Peace out, dudes!